Hey guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Framer optimization warning issues. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering why you are getting the optimization warning issues here. Well, in this case, what it actually means is there are some things that you might want to change here to basically fix or optimize your frames or your layers here. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and open up one of our sections here. So we have our desktop. Let's go and double click on it to access the variants for it. And as you can see, there are a few things that you want to consider. So first, the general way or the general cause of this issue is most likely due to conflicts on your settings here. So for example, if you have like a section here that you configured with links, so in this case, when I click on my first variant here, it should have the link or the link to option. But if you also add a link on the child of that specific element, it will actually conflict with the parent layer itself. So in this case, it will give you the optimization warning issue, which in this case, the direct solution that you could try do here is to basically move the actual link. Instead of adding this to the parent, you want to add the actual link to a sibling layer. So just to give you an example, I've actually added it in the following title layer here. So section here. So what we need element here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and move the actual link here. So you want to remove it. And instead of you adding it into that specific section or adding that link to the parent layer, or element here, you want to go ahead and add this to a sibling. So in this case, instead of adding it at the main container, you want to go ahead and add it to a sibling. Basically, just start adding your link here, and usually that would actually solve the issue itself. But generally speaking, this issue could mean a lot of things, but most likely this is more about optimizing your design here, and especially for conflicts on like links or even with the interaction with your actual design here. Like for example, if you've added a link on it, you might have set the opacity to 0, or the visibility you've retained it to yes here, although the opacity is set to 0. So you might want to change that and check those elements that you've added. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.